Hi everyone, my name is Odisho, and in this Adobe After Effects tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the reshape effect. So I've got two PNG shapes that I've dragged onto the clip, just the After Effects and Creative Cloud logos, and I'm going to make a mask out of them by going to Layer, Auto Trace, and creating a mask from the alpha channel here, pressing OK. So there's one mask, and I'll mask the After Effects logo as well, which is really just a square. But we'll still do the auto trace and create a mask for that. Now I'm actually going to take the masks from both of those that we just created. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it on to my After Effects layer. So take both of those masks and I'll paste it onto the After Effects layer. Now I don't actually want the mask to do anything yet, so I'm going to set the blending mode of both of those to none. But we have two masks on this clip that we're going to use. So I'm going to add the reshape effect onto this After Effects logo now. And I can choose the source mask. So source mask, mask 1, which is just the square mask. You can see because this is green and this is green. That's how you know what is what. And destination, what we want to morph it to, is mask 2, which is that Creative Cloud one. So now with some simple keyframes on the percentage, we can go from 0 to 100 and it'll morph this to that Creative Cloud shape. So let's say I added the keyframe there, went over a little bit, made 100% morph. Then I can repeat the same process for the Creative Cloud shape. Or in this case, I can just kind of turn the opacity of the Creative Cloud shape on if we didn't want to morph back and forth. So we'll go from 0 to 100% there. So when I press play, this is just one crude or quick animation, but you get an idea of what the morph tool is able to do. And if you really want it to look even smoother, you'd probably morph both of the layers. So you can play around with the keyframes and the methods. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to check out more effects, I've actually broken down every effect in After Effects in a playlist on my channel. So you can check it all out folder by folder, episode by episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.